Want Reddit on your computer for faster browsing and easier typing? Let's get Reddit installed on your PC in just few taps. First, open any browser on your PC and go to the Microsoft Store website. In the search bar, type Reddit and hit enter. You will see the official Reddit app. Click it. Here you can see the install button. Click install. The Reddit app will download and install automatically. After it's done, you can launch it directly from the start menu or pin it to your taskbar for quick access. Prefer a browser version instead? You can always go to reddit.com for full functionality. Do you like apps better or stick to browser tabs? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.